Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the vehicle and account so you can start earning immediately. First, make sure your car meets the program rules and that your phone or router can act as a hotspot. This prevents rejections. Once done, open the app, complete identity verification, and add a payment method so payments clear automatically. Then, study the in-app map to pick a legal hotspot zone and assess nearby signal strength. This determines uptime and earnings potential. Now configure your hotspot device for reliable performance and compliance. You'll set a secure SSID and password exactly as the app specifies and enable automatic hotspot startup so interruptions are minimized. This boosts consistency. Make sure the device is powered continuously and has a stable internet backhaul because intermittent connections reduce rewards. Also, position the device where the signal isn't blocked, near a window or elevated surface, so more users can connect and your device stays useful. To finish, start the hotspot session and monitor it closely so you learn normal behavior. You should check uptime, connection quality, and earnings in the app daily for the first week to establish a baseline. If the device goes offline, reboot it, verify power and backhaul, then examine app logs. Persistent failures often mean a SIM or router swap. Make sure you follow local parking rules. If flagged or penalized, move the vehicle and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.